Hello everyone. Let's revise adjectives with negative and past tense. So E-type adjective we'll start with. When it is atsui, it is ending with E and it is an E-type adjective then. The present tense it will be used like atsui desu, which we have done. And negative will just cut E and add kunai. So atsui desu will become atsukunai desu. Next, when it is a past tense, atsu will change into atsukatta desu. So we will cut E and add katta. Now to make negative past tense, it will be atsukunakatta desu. So atsukunai and then we'll cut E and add katta. It will become atsukunakatta desu. So let's do one. Oki desu. Oki is big. Oki kunai desu. Not big. Oki katta desu. Was big. Oki kunakatta desu. Was not big. So negative past will be oki kunakatta desu. This will remain constant. Now takai desu. Takakunai desu. Negative is takakunai desu. So takai is either high or expensive. So takakunai desu, not expensive or not high. Takakatta desu, was expensive. And takakunakatta desu, was not expensive. Next is yasui desu, is cheap. Yasukunai desu, not cheap. Yatsukatta desu, was cheap. And yasukunakatta desu, was not cheap. So present tense it is simple. We just add desu. For negative we cut E and add kunai. For past tense we again cut E and add katta. For negative past tense we cut E and add kunakatta. And same rule apply with Hoshii and Tai form. So Hoshii is used to express desire. So Hoshii desu, I want that object. Okay, so when I say I want a car, kuruma ga hoshii desu. When I say I don't want a car, kuruma ga hoshikunai desu. When we say I wanted a car, kuruma ga hoshikatta desu. I didn't want a car. Kuruma ga hoshikunakatta desu. So negative past will be kunakatta. Hoshii is treated as E-type adjective. The same rule apply with Tai form. Tai form is used with verb to express desire. So if I say I want to drink is nomimasu. So nomimasu, what we have done, we have cut mas and add tai. So it has become nomitai. Nomitakunai desu, negative, we cut E, add kunai. Nomitakatta desu, we cut E and add katta. And finally we cut E and add kunakatta. Nomita kunakatta desu, I didn't want to drink. Now let's make sentence with atsui. So when we say kyou wa atsui desu, oh today it is hot. Kyou wa atsui desu, atsui is hot. Kyou is today. Negative will be kyou wa atsukunai desu, it is not hot today. So both are present tense here. Next is kino wa atsukatta desu, it was hot yesterday. So yesterday is kino. Past tense atsukatta desu. Kino wa atsukunakatta desu. was not hot. Past tense plus negative. We have done atsui, cut e and add kunakatta. Atsu kunakatta desu. It means was not hot. Question for asking season or asking any adjective if you want to know about, we say do desu ka. So if you want to know about yesterday's weather, we'll say kino wa do deshita ka. How was it yesterday? So you can say, oh, it was hot yesterday. Kino wa atsukatta desu. So do deshita is how it was. Next, when it is not type adjective, how do we change into negative, past and past negative? It's very easy. This will change into deva arimasen. So shinsetsu is kind. So when I say Tanaka-san wa shinsetsu desu, it is Mr. Tanaka is kind. So when I say shinsetsu deva arimasen, Tanaka-san wa shinsetsu deva arimasen, Mr. Tanaka is not kind. When I say Tanaka-san wa shinsetsu deshita, was kind. So deshita is for past tense. Next is Tanaka-san wa shinsetsu deva arimasen deshita. So deva arimasen deshita is for past negative, was not kind. So this is how we change na type adjective into negative, past and past negative. So next we have taken the example of benri, which is convenient, which means convenient. So benri desu. Benri deva arimasen, the negative. Benri deshita, in past, it was convenient. Benri deva arimasen deshita, it was not convenient. So if I want to say this chair was convenient, this chair is convenient. Kono isu wa benri desu. Kono isu wa benri desu. Negative will be Kono isu wa benri deva arimasen. Now, if you want to put that in the past, Kono isu wa benri deshita. So it will become now the past. And if we want to put that in negative plus past, then it will become Kono isu wa benri deva arimasen deshita. So this is how we use na type adjective. The next example is shizuka. Shizuka is quiet. So shizuka desu. Negative is shizuka deva arimasen. Past is shizuka deshita. Past negative is shizuka deva arimasen deshita. Next is Hoshii. So Hoshii we know is used with noun. No? So when you desire something, noun, you use object ga hoshii desu. So here watashi wa kuruma ga hoshii desu. Watashi wa kuruma ga hoshikunai desu. So now it is the negative. I don't want a car. So in the first sentence we have said watashi wa I kuruma ga hoshii desu. I want a car. So kuruma is car. In the next sentence it is negative. I don't want a car. Watashi wa kuruma ga hoshiku nai desu. Next is I wanted a car. Hoshi has changed into hoshikatta. So we have cut e and add katta. Watashi wa kuruma ga hoshikatta desu. I wanted a car. And the last is hoshiku na katta desu. I did not want a car. So this is how we use hoshi to express our desire. So question could be asked, Nani ga hoshii desu ka? What do you want? Okay. Nani ga hoshii desu ka? What do you want? Next is tai form of the verb. So tai will come. Okay. So Nani ga hoshii desu ka? What do you want? Now suppose you want to ask, do you want something? So what will change here? If I say, do you want something? It will change into nani ka. Nani ka hoshii desu ka? Do you want something? Do you want anything? So anything is nani ka. And then the person can reply hi. There could be two answers, either hi and you can say kuruma ga hoshii desu. Okay. Or either you can say iie, no, nani mo hoshiku nai desu. Nothing. Nani mo hoshiku nai desu. So nani mo is nothing. I don't want anything. So this is how we use sentence pattern hoshi. Next is tai pattern. So tai is used with verbs. Verb, we take the mass form like no mi mas. Then we cut mass and add tai. It will become want to do that verb. So here it is nomitai, it will be want to drink. So when we say watashi wa juice o nomitai desu, it can also be said as juice ga nomitai desu. Both are okay, correct. So watashi wa juice o nomitai desu, watashi wa juice ga nomitai desu. Both will mean the same. I want to drink juice. Negative of nomitai will be nomita kunai desu. Nomitai desu. Nomita kunai desu. I don't want to drink. Then next will be nomita katta desu. So cut e and add katta. Nomita katta desu. I wanted to drink juice. Past form is nomita katta desu. Next is past negative. Nomita kunakatta desu. Watashi wa juice o or ga nomita kunakatta desu. I didn't want to drink juice. So this is how the tai form changes. You cut e and add kunai. You cut e and add katta, and finally cut e and add kunakatta for past negative. Next is nani ga nomitai desu ka? If a question is asked, you can say juice ga nomitai desu. Or when it is asked, do you want to drink anything? Then nani ka nomitai desu ka? Is there anything you want to drink? Anything? You can say hi, yes, I want to drink juice. Juice ga nomitai desu. Next we are going to use the adverbs. So first I have written the adjective and how it changes when we want to use those adjectives at verb. So atsui will change into atsuku. So atsui is hot. So what we have done is we have cut e and add ku, and here narimas is to become. So it has become hot. How will we say? Atsuku narimashita. Okay, the past tense. Similarly, okiku. Oki we have done is we have cut e and added ku. Okiku kakimasu. We write big. Okay, so kakimasu is to write. So please write larger letters or big letters will be okiku kakimasu. Yasui is cheap. So we have changed yasui into yasuku. Cut e, add ku. Yasuku kaimasu. I buy cheap. Okay. So yasuku kaimasu. Kaimasu is to buy. So these three has become the adjectives for these verbs. Next is the na type adjective, and those are shizuka. This is quiet. Shinsetsu, which is kind. Kirei, which is beautiful. Now with na type adjective we add ni before the verb. So shizuka ni narimasu. It has become quiet. Okay. Or even in the future tense we can use narimasu. It will become quiet. Shizuka ni narimasu. Or shizuka ni hanashimasu. So I'll talk. If we say as another example, shizuka ni hanashimasu. Hanashimasu is to talk. So when I say shizuka ni hanashimasu, I talk quietly. Next is shinsetsu, is kind. That person looks kind. So shinsetsu ni miemasu. Miemasu is to look. Dikhai dena. Okay. Kirei ni shimasu. Kirei is beautiful or to clean. So I'll clean it. So it will become kirei ni shimasu. I'll do it. I'll do the cleaning. So kirei ni shimasu. Next is the pattern A, particle A, which is a direction particle. So wherever we go, come, or to return, to come, to go, to return, or to turn, to take turn, all those which has something to do with direction will take particle A. So if I say ashita gakko e ikimasu. So ashita is tomorrow, gakko school, A to, ikimasu to go. So I'll go to school tomorrow. So my direction is fixed. A will reflect that I want to go in that direction towards the school. I want to go to school. Ashita gakko e ikimasu. Ikimasu means to go. Similarly, asatte uchi e kairimasu. Asatte is day before yesterday. Oh sorry, asatte is day after tomorrow. So asatte uchi e kairimasu. Kairimasu means to return. So this direction particle is always used with place a direction verb. So verbs are actually divided into three categories on the basis of the procedure or the action. So first kind of verb is the location verb. And then second is the direction verb. And third is the action verb. So location verb will include to take rest. You take rest at some place. So rest is the location verb, or to live, or to sit. All these will be location verb. Next is the direction verb. So to go, come, return comes under the direction verb. And action are the verb where some actions are involved. For example, if we say I play, I eat, I do, I drink, I talk. So there are many verbs as such. So location verbs are the verbs used for location, such as to live, to sit, or to take rest. So in Japanese, these three kinds of verb will have three different particles. And for direction verbs, we always have a particle. Next is the pattern kara. Kara is used for explaining the reason or giving the reason. So Tanaka is saying, Radio yo kikimasu ka? Radio is radio. Radio. Do you listen to radio? So we can say, Radio o kikimasu ka? Kikimasu is to listen. The person, Yamada says, Iie, no, I don't. Doshite desu ka? Why? Why is it so? You can also say. So, doshite is why. Doshite desu ka? Why so? Jikan ga arimasen kara. Jikan is time. Jikan ga arimasen kara. I don't have time. Arimasen is negative. I don't have time. So here kara will mean that's why. That's why. Or you can also explain as since I don't have time. Since I don't have time. So kara is used with in this case with verb to express the reason. So we'll do till here today. Thank you.